This adventure started in Cape Town. The true beauty it has to offer is vast. My very first video I made was in Cape Town when we went rock jumping and snorkeling while also exploring the famous Cape Point. I have only been in Cape Town a handful of times in my life, but nonetheless it holds a special place in my heart. Capturing moments and feelings while seeing and doing new things is extremely difficult. I love going on these super high action-packed bucket list adventures as I face my fears, but capturing those events does not always give you a true idea of how a place and the environment is. It does not truly capture the emotions you feel. I was recently back again and I was blown away by the views and the experience, but this time for a different reason. While simply driving around trying to figure out what we should do, we got to see points in Cape Town, but more specifically the 7-kilometer long beachfront walkway. Table Mountain, Signal Hill and Lion's Head overlooking you on the one side with the sound of crashing waves of the sea on the other. This beautiful promenade with numerous activities and parks blew me away, but what truly captured me was a sense of calmness and safety you feel here. So my little brother and I decided to rent electric bikes and just cruise along the beachfront, taking it all in.
So we're going on an electric bike trip down the beachfront. Got the electric bikes here and we're going to explore the beachfront here in Cape Town.
This video is going to be different to my normal high action-packed adventures. I'm simply going to bring you along with me as we ride along the beachfront with the amazing views in the background. And just before we get into it, smash that like button and hit subscribe to not miss any videos in the future.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Hörde? Make sure you don't crack. It's so ridiculous to replace the speed on. Beautiful. Check how beautiful this is, yeah. Along the
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Know that I've been with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby. One look, the heat is rising. I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think that we can stop it now, 'cause
was trying to go past.
Damn lies to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on